Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat selfie in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now go to your account. Now press on your account QR. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of change selfie. Press on this. Now here you can choose any selfie as you want. Press and done. That's it. So this is how to change Snapchat selfie in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.